These three AI models cost between $20 to $60 per month. I spent $500 testing them across 20 real tasks, so you know exactly which one to pay for. Claude Opus dominated with 4 out of 5 best results, especially on complex debugging and multi-file refactoring. GPT-5 won on algorithm puzzles. Gemini 2.5 Pro was surprisingly good at code review. GPT-5 produces the most creative fiction. Claude writes the best analytical and business content. Gemini 2.5 Pro excels at research synthesis with its massive context window. Gemini 2.5 Pro's reasoning mode is impressive for complex, multi-step problems. Claude Opus handles nuanced judgment calls best. GPT-5 is fastest at straightforward logic. Gemini crushes image and video understanding tasks. GPT-5 has the best image generation. Claude's tool use and agentic capabilities are unmatched. I built a free comparison tool. Link in description. Subscribe for monthly model comparison updates as new versions drop.